Hello my dear students, today we are going to discuss numericals on solubility and solubility product, and this is our last video. This is our last video, that is I think video number 15 on ionic equilibrium. So today we are going to discuss the numericals on solubility and solubility product. I request please keep your notebook and pen with you. Try to solve numericals by yourself by taking pause, and again those students who are watching this video directly, please watch earlier videos on solubility and solubility product. Myself Amar Gedam, and this is your channel Amar Gedam's Icon Chemistry Point. So video numerical number first, not video number, numerical number first, video number 15, numerical number first. For a sparingly soluble salt, ApBQ, the relationship of its solubility product of its solubility product LS is given, not KSP. Listen here. This is numerical from JEE Advanced 2001. This is numerical from JEE Advanced 2001, and its solubility yes is shown by. For sparingly soluble salt AbPQ, the relationship of its solubility product LS and solubility S is given by. So 4 options are given. Option number A, LS is equal to S P plus Q, P raised to power P, Q raised to power Q. B is LS is equal to P plus Q, S raised to power P plus Q into, that is P raised to power Q, Q raised to power P. Option number C is, that is LS is equal to S PQ, P raised to power P, Q raised to power Q, and D is, that is LS is equal to S P plus Q, PQ raised to power P plus Q. So these 4 options are given. Now solution. Please solve this numerical by yourself. So here, what is equilibrium? Solubility equilibrium for this salt ApBQ. Solubility equilibrium will be, what will be the solubility equilibrium? That is Pa. What will be the charge? Q positive. Plus, that is QB, P negative. Already we have discussed this derivation in earlier video. So please watch that video so that you can understand this easily. Now suppose S is a solubility. So here coefficient is 1. This is 1 coefficient. Here that is P, and here this one is a Q. So here solubility will be, that is PS. Here that is QS. ES and QS. Now KSP for this, but here LS is given. So LS is equal to A Q positive. Here this is P into that is BP negative. Here this is Q. So LS is equal to, the value is, that is PS raised to power P. Here this one is that is QS raised to power Q. By solving you get LS is equal to P raised to power P, S raised to power P, Q raised to power Q, S raised to power Q. So LS is equal to that is S P plus Q, P raised to power P into Q raised to power Q. So here the answer will be that is this one. Answer will be this one. So please note down this, then we will solve next numerical. So please note down this. Next numerical. Numerical number next, that is second. The solubility constant, the solubility product, actually it is constant, solubility product constant, solubility product constant for salts of type mx2 and m3x at given temperature T are 4.0 into 10 to the power minus 8, 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 14 and 2.7 into 10 to the power minus 15 respectively. KSP values are given for these three salts. Again, this is numerical from JEE Advanced 2008. JEE Advanced 2008. So solubility product constants are given. What is order of solubility? Solubility at a given temperature? What is order of solubility at a given temperature? So four options are again given, that is that is option number A, that is mx greater than mx2 greater than m3x. Option number B, that is mx greater than m3x greater than mx2. Then next, that is option number next, that is m3x greater than mx2 greater than mx. And option number D is mx2 greater than m3x and that is mx. So four options are given. This is numerical from JEE Advanced 2008. Now solution. We will solve it here. So salt is mx, salt is mx2 and salt is m3x. We will solve it very quickly. So what is KSP value? How you can calculate KSP value? I have already told you. So this is yes and this is yes. What is subscript here? There is no subscript, means 1 1. So subscript become coefficient and that is power. So here this is 1s1. Here KSP is equal to what is subscript? 1. So it become coefficient and that is power. What is subscript? 2. So it become coefficient and power. Here subscript is 3. So it become coefficient and that is power. Here this is subscript is 1. So it become coefficient and that is power. So easily you can solve. So KSP is equal to what will be the value? This is s square. This one is a 4s cube and this one is a 3 cube. 3 cube means that is 27s4. Now here this is value for KSP. S is equal to under root KSP. S is equal to under root KSP. So what is KSP value for this salt? This one. This is value for this one. So here this is 4.0 into 10 to the power minus 8. So this become is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 4. 2 into 10 to the power minus 4. This is solubility value for this salt. Here that is Ksp is equal to 4s cube. So S is equal to under root of Ksp upon that is 4, under root of that is cube root of Ksp is equal to 4s cube. So S cube is equal to Ksp upon 4. So S is equal to that is here, that is Ksp is equal to 27s4. So S is equal to Ksp upon 27, here that is 4. Means here that is S is equal to what is Ksp? Ksp is that is 3.2 into 10 to the power that is minus 14 divided by 4. So this become 32, this become 10 to the power minus 15. So S is equal to when it becomes 32, 4 8 ja 32 means here cube root 8 into 10 to the power minus 15. So what will be the S solubility value? This will be that is 2 into 10 to the power minus 5. 2 into 10 to the power minus 5. Here next one, that is S is equal to what is Ksp? Ksp is that is 2.7 into 10 to the power minus 15 divided by 27. Here that is 4. So this become 27 10 to the power minus 16. 27 get cancelled. So S is equal to 10 to the power minus 16 means 10 to the power minus 4, because here there is a 4. 10 to. So solubilities are here S is equal to this one and this one. So which value is greater? This value is greater. Means here that is Mx greater than this one, that is M3x, then this one is a Mx2. So this is order of solubility for these 3 salts. So this one is the I think correct answer. This is answer. So please note down this, then we will discuss next numerical. Next numerical is easy numerical. In previous video we have solved such type of numerical, that is on common ion effect of common ion on that is solubility of sparingly soluble salt. So numerical number 3rd, the solubility product for AgCl is 4 into 10 to the power minus 10 at 298 Kelvin. What will be its solubility? What will be the solubility of AgCl? The solubility of AgCl in 0.04 molar CaCl2 solution. So I am going to modify the solubility product of AgCl is 4 into 10 to the power minus 10 at 298 Kelvin. The solubility of AgCl in 0.04 molar CaCl2 solution will be now this is correct. So again 4 options are given, that is A 2 into 10 to the power minus 5 molar, B molar, B is 1 into 10 to the power minus 4 molar, C is that is 5 into 10 to the power minus 9 molar, and option last, that is D, is 2.2 into 10 to the power minus 5 molar. So now Try to solve it. Try to solve it. Solution. So what is solubility equilibrium for AgCl? That is AgCl will gives Ag positive plus Cl negative. Ag positive plus Cl negative. Now listen here. Now listen here. This is other salt. This one is the other salt which contain that is common ion Cl, which contain common ion Cl. CaCl2 in aqueous medium gives that is Ca2 positive plus 2 times Cl negative. 2 times Cl negative. Are you getting what I am going to say? Here this is sparingly soluble salt. This is sparingly soluble salt having that is low solubility. Here this one is a aqueous CaCl2 0.04 molar. As it is aqueous, so here dissociate to give that is 2 positive. Here that is 2 times Cl negative. Ca2 positive, 2 times Cl negative. Here coefficient, suppose here solubility is 0.04. 0.04. Now again listen here. Suppose this one is a yes. Coefficient is 1. Here this is yes and this is yes. This is yes. Here 0.04. It becomes 0.04 and this is 2 into 0.04. Why? Because coefficient is 2. Coefficient is 1. Coefficient is 1. So what is KSP is equal to? KSP for this sparingly soluble salt is Ag positive concentration into that is Cl negative concentration. So Ag positive concentration is yes. Here solubility yes. Here that is it is given 4 into 10 to the power minus 10. 4 into 10 to the power minus 10. Now concentration here Cl negative ion. Which concentration we have to keep? Here there are two concentration. One, this one is a 2 into 0.04. Another one is a yes. Means here this is yes plus 0.08. 2 into 0.0. Now listen here. You know that this concentration, this value yes is neglected in comparison with 0.08. We have already discussed this. Again I am going to explain after numerical. So here this is neglected. This value is neglected. Means S is equal to KSP upon Ag positive concentration. Means that is yes. That is Cl negative concentration, that is 0.08. Means S is equal to KSP value is that is 4 into 10 to the power minus 10 upon that is 0.08. So it becomes S is equal to, here this is 40 into 10 to the power minus 11 and here this become 8 into 10 to the power minus 2. So S is equal to 8 5 the 40, so 5 into 10 to the power plus 2 means that is minus 9. So 5 into 10 to the power minus 9. This one is the correct answer. This is correct answer. Now listen here. What is solubility? 5 into 10 to the power. 5 into 10 to the power minus 9. So we can neglect this. 5 into 10 to the power minus 9 can be neglected. It is very small than that is 0.08. Means 8 into 10 to the power minus 2. Therefore we neglect this. So please write down this. Again I am going to explain one thing. Due to presence of this common ion, solubility goes on decreasing. So we will prove the solubility without common ion. This is AgCl. When dissolved in water gives Ag positive plus Cl negative. Here solubility will be, here this is yes and here yes. So KSP is equal to S square. S is equal to under root of KSP. So S is equal to under root of, what is KSP value? That is 4 into 10 to the power minus 10. So S is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 5. 2 into 10 to the power minus 5. So this solubility is more. This solubility is more than this solubility. 5 into 10 to the power minus 9. This solubility is more because this is without common ion. This one is with. This is another part. I am just explain you for sake of your understanding. Otherwise, answer is here. I have explained you two concepts. How we neglect this yes and why solubility is less by addition of this common ion. So please note down this. Next numerical is numerical number 4. Numerical number that is 4. Numerical number 4. The pH of saturated solution of BaOH by 2, solution of BaOH by 2 is 12, that is 12. The value of its solubility product, value of its solubility product is value of its solubility product is. So option A is given, that is 5 into 10 to the power minus 7. Option B is, that is 4 into 10 to the power minus 6. 4 into 10 to the power minus 6. Option number C, that is 4 into 10 to the power minus 7. And D is, that is 5 into 10 to the power minus 6. Now listen here, this is quite different type, but way of solution is easy. Now solution, what is given? That is pH is given. pH is given means here as pH is equal to 12, therefore H plus ion concentration is equal to 10 to the power minus 12. Or POH is equal to that is 2 means OH negative ion concentration is equal to 10 to the power, that is minus 2. One and the same thing. If pH is 12, so what will be POH? That is 2, because pH plus POH is equal to 14. So OH negative ion concentration is 10 to the power minus 2. Understand this? Understand? OH negative ion concentration is equal to 10 to the power minus 2. Now, this is BaOH by 2 sparingly soluble salt. It dissolve in water to gives that is Ba2 positive plus 2 time OH negative. 2 time OH negative. KSP is equal to what will be the KSP? Concentration of Ba2 positive OH negative power 2. Now listen here. Here coefficient is 1, coefficient is 2. Means if it is 10 to the power minus 2, if it is 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power minus 2, so this become half of 10 to the power minus 2. If this is 10 to the power minus 2, this become half of 10 to the power minus 2. Means here, what is half of 10 to the power minus 2? 10 to the power minus 2 half is equal to, that is 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. Means KSP is equal to Ba will be 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. And this one is a This one is the into 10 to the power minus 2 raised to power, that is 2 raised to power 2. So KSP is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 2. Here this is minus 4 minus 3 10 to the power. And this become, now this is suppose m become m square m, so it become m cube. So everywhere here m cube molarity cube was given. So here this become, that is m cube. So please note down this. Understand what is the meaning of this? B OH by 2 pH is 12. So what is POH? That is 2. POH 2 means OH negative ion concentration is 10 to the power minus 2. Here coefficient is 1, here coefficient is 2. So means here concentration will be half of this. What is half of 10 to the power minus 2 and 2? That is 5 into 10 to the power minus 3, because it become 10, so it become minus 3. 2 here 10, so 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. Here KSP is equal to concentration of this into raised to power 2. So this one is the correct answer. Next numerical, that is numerical number 5. Numerical number 5. In which of following solvent the AgCl is more soluble. AgCl is more soluble. In which of the following solvent AgCl is more soluble? Solvents are, that is A 0.01 mole per dm cube, AgNO3. B is 0.01 mole per dm cube, HCl. Option number C is water, and option number D is aqueous solution of ammonia. Listen here, this one is the numerical from NCERT. Write down one important concept for this. Write down. When sparingly soluble salt form complex, that is coordination compound, form complex, then it is more soluble. This is factual type question. So please note down this. When sparingly soluble salt form complex, then it is more soluble. What is complex? What is coordination compound? We will discuss in our chapter coordination chemistry. So here what happened? When this AgCl reacts with aqueous solution of ammonia, here there is a formation of AgNH3 by 2, and this is Cl negative. And therefore answer is, that is, it is more soluble in aqueous NH3. So please note down this. Then I will give you again one numerical. I think numerical number 6. Next, write down. Which among the following has lowest value of KSP. Options are, that is A MgOH by 2, B, that is CaOH by 2, C is BaOH by 2, and D is, that is BeOH by 2. Again, this is here important note. Please make important note. You know that here this is BeMg, Ca, Sr, barium, strontium. This is second group element, and these are the hydroxide. These are the hydroxide. Make a note. Solubility of hydroxide increases with increase in ionic size. Solubility of hydroxide increases with increase in ionic size and decrease in lattice energy. This concept of lattice energy we have discussed in chemical bonding, so please understand this. So here when we move down the group, ionic size of this Be2 positive, Mg2 positive, Ca2 positive, here 2 positive, ionic size increases, so solubility increases, here lattice energy goes on decreasing. So please keep this concept. Ionic size of this ion for a given hydroxide increases, solubility increases. Means where less solubility, here means BeOH by 2 hydroxide is less soluble. As it is less soluble, it has lowest value of Ksp. So this is answer. So please note down this. Here we completely completed our one of the big unit, that is chemical equilibrium and ionic equilibrium. So next we will going to start a series of videos on S block elements. So please note down this. Do study well, and that is score well.